Good morning children. I hope class 8 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. We have been doing squares and square roots and we have completed one exercise also 3b. Today we will see shortcut methods for squaring a number and diagonal method for squaring a number. So, let us see, this is very interesting, just you try to learn how to find out square in shortcut method of 2-digit number and even diagonal method also we will see. So, let us learn. Here you see shortcut method for squaring a number. This is called column method for squaring a 2-digit number. This is also called the column method. Let the given number have the tens digit is equal to A and the units digit is equal to B. Suppose any two number you have and you want to find out the square of that number. Suppose you have 25. So, let us suppose that tens digit is A and unit digit is B. Suppose A is equal to 2 you have and B is equal to 5 you have. Then what you need to do? Then we have to square this number. We need to square this number. So, simply when we square what we do? 25 square if you want to find out. What we do? 25 into 25. We multiply this number and we find out the value of this number, value of 25 square. But here what we need to do, what we are doing, we are saying how to find out in shortcut method. So, what steps are required to be followed? You see, make 3 columns 1, 2 and 3 headed by A square, 2 into A into B and B square. 3 columns are required to be made 1, 2 and 3. Suppose 3 columns are there and here what you need to do? A square, 2ab or 2 into A into B and B square you need to write down. Write the values of A square, 2 into A into B and B square in column 1, 2 and 3 respectively. These 3 columns you have 1, 2 and 3, there what you need to do? Value of A square, value of A square over here will be what? Value of A square will be A into A, the value of A is equal to 2. So, 2 square here you will have, then you will have 2 into 5, here you will have 5 square. In column 3, underline the units digit of B square and carry over the tens digit of it to column 2 and add it to the value of 2 into A into B. What we need to do? Suppose you have, if you are squaring this, what you will get? 25. Here what you will get? 2 2 ja 4 and 4 5 ja 20. Here what you will get? 4. Now, in this next step what you need to do? Here you see an example it has been made. Here you see we are finding out for 25. So, as we had written 2 square, 2 into 5 and 5 square and we had got 4, 20 and 25. In next step what we have to do? What we have got, we need to underline the unit digit. So, you have underlined the unit digit and tens digit is required to be carried forward in column 2. So, column 2 you have 20, here 2 is required to be taken and now you add this became 22. In column 2 underline the unit digit of the number obtained in step 2, again unit digit is required to be underlined and carry over the tens digit of it to column 1. So, column 1 you have, in column 1 you have 4. So, this tens digit number is required to be taken over here and this is required to be written and this is required to be added. So, you got 6. Underline the number obtained in step 3. In step 3 you have got 6. The underlined digits give the required square number. You see, underlined digits you see 6, 2 and 5. What you have got? 6, 2 and 5. 6, 2 and 5. So, as we know 25 square is equal to what? 6 to 5. So, in this way we need to find out, and this is the shortcut method. So, that we can find out even other numbers also you can put and you can find out. One example has been given over here, you see 447. Here A has been assumed A has been assumed 4 and B is equal to 7. What we need to do? First of all, 3 columns are required to be made, 1, 2 and 3. Here in first column we need to write A square, 2 into A into B and B square. Then A square is equal to what? 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. Then 2 into A into B means 2 into 4 into 7. 2 4 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. B square means what? 7 square, and 7 square is equal to 49. 49 has been written. This 16, 56 and 49 numbers you have got. Now, what we need to do? Unit digit is required to be underlined. So, in 49 unit digit you have 9. 4 is required to be carried over in column 2. So, 4 has been written over here, and with 56 this has been added and you have got 60. Now, again unit digit is required to be underlined and tens digit is required to be carried over in column 1. Now, 16 and 6 has been added and you got 22. Now, here both the numbers units and tens digits are required to be underlined, and these underlined digits together will form a number like 22, 0 and 9. It formed a number 2209. So, 47 square is equal to 2209 you have got. This you multiply 47 2 time and you can check also this is correct or not. So, this is the shortcut method. By this way we can find out square of any 2 digit number. Here you see another example, you have 86. Here you have A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 6. A square means what? 8 square. 8 square means 64. 2 into A into B means 2 into 8 into 6. You have got 96. B square means what? 6 into 6, that is 36. What we need to do now? Ones digit is required to be underlined. Tens digit is required to be carried over in column 2, should be added to it. You have got 99. Again unit digit is required to be underlined. Tens digit is required to be carried over in column 1 and has been added. You got 73. Here now in column 1 both the digit what you have got should be underlined. Now, these underlined digits, what number it is forming, that formed number will be the square of the given number. So, 86 square is equal to, you have got 7396. 7396. I hope you understood. Then you have diagonal method for squaring a number. Find the square of 39 by using the diagonal method. So, in diagonal method how we will do? An example has been taken for 39. What steps are required to be followed? You see, the given number contains 2 digits. So, draw a square, because this is containing 2 digits and that is why draw a square and divide it into 4 sub squares. 2 digits are there, that is why 4 sub squares will be required. If 3 digits will be there, 9 sub squares will be required, and so on. Write down the digits 3 and 9 horizontally and vertically as shown below. It has been given over here. You see, you can see also. Here you see 39 you had number, 39 you have 3 9 3 9. 2 digit number we have, 4 squares we have formed. This has been, diagonals has been made. Now what we need to do, here you see steps, what steps are required to be followed. Multiply each digit on the left of the square with each digit on the top one by one. Write the product in the given corresponding sub-square. If the product is a one digit number, write it below the diagonal and put 0 above the diagonal. In case the product is a two digit number, write the tens digit above the diagonal and the units digit below the diagonal. Starting below the lowest diagonal, sum the digits diagonally. Diagonally it is required to be added. If the sum is a two digit number, underline the unit digits and carry over the tens digit to the next diagonal. Underline all the digits in the sum above the topmost diagonal. The underlined digits give the required square number. How we will do, you see. First of all, square is required to be made, and then sub squares are required to be made. And then what we need to do, one square is there and 4 sub squares you have, and then diagonally it has to be cut, so that diagonals you will get, 3 diagonals are there. Now what we need to do, the numbers what you need to find out square, that numbers are written in this way, vertically and horizontally. Now what we need to do, we need to multiply. How we will multiply, you see, 3 3 ja 9. So here we will write 9, because this is one digit number, here we have written 9, and in tens digit we will write 0, because tens digit we don't have. 9 means what? 0 9. If two digit number it would be, we would have written ones digit over here and tens digit over here. Now 3 9 ja 27. So we have written 27, because ones digit we will write below and tens digit above this diagonal. So 27 we have written. With 3 we have multiplied, 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 27. Now with 9 we will multiply, 9 3 ja 27, again the same thing is required to be followed, ones digit, tens digit, 9 9 ja 81. So we have multiplied. Now what we need to do, diagonally these numbers are required to be added. How we will add this? You see, 1 we have written 1, 7, 8 and 7 we have added. So 8 and 7, 15 and 7 22, 22 we have written. Ones digit is required to be underlined. Ones digit is required to be underlined. Then this diagonal, 2 and 9, 11, 11 and 2, 13. Now what we will do, 13 we have got here. Now what we do, this tens digit number is required to be carried over here. So we have put over here and we have added, we got 15. Now this ones digit is required to be underlined. Ones digit we have underlined. Now tens digit will be required to be carried over in next line. Here you see, here in this diagonal only 0 you have, 0 we have written, and this 1 we have carried over here, and this is required to be added, you got 1, and here again this number is required to be underlined. What we have got now? Underlined digits will form a number 1. Suppose here you had 1, here we have 5, and here we have 2. So finally we have got 1, 5, 2 and 1, this one. So just you check out, 39 square is equal to 1521. Just you multiply 39 2 times and you find out that comes or not. So in this way this is required to be found out. Again you see once more, numbers what we need to find out, because this 2 digit number, so 4 squares are required to, sub squares are required to be made. Suppose you have made one square like this, this is required to be sub squared, 4 sub square you have got, Now diagonals are required to be made like this. This has been made. The numbers for what you need to find out square, that numbers are written in this way. Suppose this is 39. So take some another number so that you will understand in better way. Here you see, suppose we have taken 25. Just now we had found out 25 square is equal to 625, that is coming or not, just you see 25, and here we will write 25. Now you see, we will multiply 2 2 ja 4. In ones place we will write 4, in tens place we will put 0. Now 2 5 ja 10, like this we will write. Then by with 2 already we have multiplied, with 5 we will multiply now. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 25. Multiplication has been done. Now we need to add diagonally. So here you see, in first diagonal we are saying 5 you have number, this is required to be underlined. Here you have 2, one digit only you have, so this is required to be underlined. Here you see, if tens digit you would be having, that number was required to be carried over in next line, but you do not have. Here you see 1, 4 and 1 is equal to 6. So you have got 6, one digit number again. So this is required to be underlined, and here only 0 you have. So nothing you need to do, 0652 0625. So finally you got number 625. Just you see, you have got 625. So square of 25 is 625. In this way it is required to be found out. Next example has been given, you see, for 72. So the same thing has been done. 72 has been written. Now you multiply 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14, 49, this is 14. Now 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. In tens place nothing you have, it means 0 will be required. Now diagonally we need to add this. So 4 has been added, 4 has been written, underline this. Next 4 and 4 8, again this is also required to be underlined. 1 and 9 10, 10 and 1 11. So in 11 ones digit only will be required to be added, tens digit will be required to be carried over. 4 here you have, and plus this one. Now add this, you have got 5, so underline this. So what you will get, 72 square will be equal to 5, 1, 8 and 4. 5, 1, 8, 4, this will be your answer. Next you see, find the square of 527. Here you have 3 digit number. So how will you do for 3 digit number? 3 digit number you have 9 sub square you will need. One square you need to form, and that is required to be divided into 9 sub square. 9 sub square you have, and diagonals are required to be made. Now here you see 5 to 7 has been written, 5, 2 and 7, 5, 2 and 7. Now you see how we will multiply. 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35. With 5 we have multiplied. The same thing is required to be done with 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 0 we will put over here. 2 7 ja 14. Then with 7, 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14, 7 7 ja 49, we have multiplied. Now diagonally we need to add the numbers. So here you have got 9, this is required to be underlined. 4, 4, 4, you have got 12. This ones digit is required to be underlined, 1 will be required to be carried over. So here you add 5 and 1, 6, 4, 10, 11 and 5, 16. 16 you have written, and this 1. So what you have got? 17, and 7 is required to be underlined. Next you see 3 and 3, 6, and this 1 is equal to 7, this is required to be underlined. Then you have 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7, this number is required to be underlined, and lastly you have 2, this is required to be underlined. So 5 to 7 square means what you have got? 2, 7, 7, 7, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So in this way, even if 3 digit number you have, that you can find out the square of the numbers. Next you have 6, 8, 9. In the same way this also has been done. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. You multiply 6, 6 ja 36, 6, 8 ja 48, 6, 9 ja 54, 8, 6 ja 48, 8, 8 ja 64, 8, 9 ja 72, 9, 6 ja 54, 9, 8 ja 72, 9, 9 ja 81. Now this is required to be added. 1 you have got, underline this. 2, 8, 10 and 2, 12. 2 is required to be underlined. 4 and 7, 11. 11 and 4, 15 and 7. 15 and 7, 22 and 4, 26. And this 1 is required to be written over here. So you will get 27, 7 is required to be underlined, and 2 will be carried over. 5 and 8, 13, 13 and 6, 19 and 8, 27 and 5, 32 plus 2, you will get 34, 4 is required to be underlined. Now 4 and 6, 10 and 4, 14. And plus this 3, it means 17, 7 is required to be underlined, and here you have 3 and this 1, you got 4. Now 6, 8, 9 square will be, you have 4, 7, 4, 7, 2, 1. This will be your answer. So in this way, if 3 digit numbers are there, that is required to be done, and you can find out the square of the given number. Then you have exercise 3C. I hope you will be able to do. I don't think it is required to be made you understand now how it to be done. 23 square you have, 35 square you have, 52 square you have, 96 square you have, and you have 67 square, 86 square, 137 square and 256 square. Just you try to do. I think you will be able to do. If you will be having any problem, again you go through in proper way all the examples what has been solved now. Next day we will see square roots. So till then, thank you.